This is the Decor and Lifestyle Center.
Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Charlene, and if you're one of the returning residents, then so happy that you decided to come stop on by this week. But if your closet is feeling a little too full, or just that space where you store your soft furnishings, that is your comforters, your sheets, your pillowcases, your cushions, then got a simple and effective storage trick to share with you. Come on.
These are some vacuum storage bags that I had bought on Amazon to take care of all of the comforters and sheets and this. Yeah, I bought this to deep stuff. They look like. So of course it came with a pump and it has some. I remember these back in the day. I don't know if today's generation know about these. But it comes with a vacuum here, a vacuum seal. So you open the bag right here. This comes with a ziplock. And so you put them in and then you suck the air out of it and it compresses it. Right? When you buy things like our in the supermarket, vacuum seal, it suck out the air and you have more space. So I have, I think, 4 sets. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 sets. And then it also comes with this pump, but I think I'm going to use my vacuum. Not bad. It goes. Whew. So this is what the pile is looking like now, significantly smaller. The only pieces that I didn't get to package are these cushions over here, and then I have this little bag right here. But I'm sure I'll be saving a lot of space.